guys. Ngayon guys ay birthday ng aking twin daughter. Si Raquel and si Rochelle. Yes, ito yung handa nila guys. Hindi na kami nagluto guys. Lahat yan ay order. Yan guys. Yan. Kasi nakakapagod naman magluto guys. Okay na yan. Marami na yan guys. Yan. Ito special yan. Yan, chicken.
Order lang po para hindi na ako magluto.
Order lang para hindi magluto itong beauty na ito, guys. Lagi na lang pagod kasi. Yan, itong cake, guys. Talaga, 3 ang cake nila. This is from William. Sa bunso ko, guys. Kapatid nilang bunso. Yan, 2 cake binigay, guys. And this is from Darin. Sa pamangkin nila, guys. Yan. Na ano lang, guys, kasi nung tali nung mama, nadiinan niya yung box. Rocks and Locks yan from Darin. Yan, regalo ni Darin sa tita nila. Yan. Ito naman sa anak kong bunso. 2 cake ang kanya.
Naman kayo umorder
yan. From William. Mayroon pang darating na cake, guys. From Pastor. The friend Pastor that we...
Yan lang. Tsaka yung kaibigan na...
Our friend Pastor. Yan. English ko pa kasi. Ito lang ako ay navovolol. Yan, guys. Ako, okay na to, guys. Wala kang photo. Ay, may photo pala siya. Yan, nag-order lang sila, guys. Guys.
Kami lang naman. Okay na.
Ang beauty ni Mama G na pagod, guys. 2 times akong bumalik sa Goldilocks. Pero it's okay. Kasi birthday naman ang 2 anak ko.
Ageless.
Okay? 45 na sila, guys. But they are still looking young. They look younger than their age. Yan guys, sila guys, yan guys, ang nagbe-birthday ngayon. Ayan. Yan. Di ba guys? Laki. Yan. Okay guys, that's all for now. Mamaya guys, may darating pa na isang cake. Wow, 3 ang cake, 4. My goodness. Okay guys, that's all. Thank you for watching my video guys. Kain na mamaya. Sundo muna kami sa aming apo, guys. Ganon ang aming obligation. Routine every day. Okay, guys. Bye for now. God bless.